All right. Hello and welcome to the stream today, guys. It is October 17th. Quick update. Got some more coffee made. We're going to need some coffee for this one, folks. It's getting dicey now. Bitcoin has broke below 60K. You guys have just noticed it dipped down to about 59,500, I believe. Yeah. Right down to 59.5. So strap in, get ready. How's everyone doing on TikTok? Welcome. Thank you for coming in today, guys. Sunday stream. We are going live on YouTube and TikTok right now, and it's going to be an exciting one. One sec, let me get my notes set up here. Now, I'm going to go through my news that I have for you guys, and then I'm going to do Q&A at the end. Yep. So, sorry, just finished organizing my notes. Here we go. What's up? Thanks for coming in on YouTube, guys. Let's get it. Okay. Nobody wanted me to call this dip, I swear. I was getting so much flack, so much hate for saying that we were about to correct back. And now watch, Bitcoin, it just dipped below 60K, and we're just getting started, guys. This is the start of a dip. And I want you guys to be prepared. I've been putting out the notice for the past few days. This is the dip for this month. We're gonna dip. I don't know how low we go. I said, ask your chart guy. Ask your guy that you got doing the TA. Ask the guy that you got that you're paying $50 a month for the Discord. Ask him to put it up on the charts and figure out how low this goes. But we called the dip perfectly once again. The pattern that we're watching is absolutely tuned in, and we keep on hitting it. And now I don't do the charts, and I don't try to time it perfectly. I just try to look for these opportunities. 10% cheaper, that's what's available right now. And we're just getting started. Now, I said that this is the last dip that I think we're going to get real good opportunities to swoop up some of these cryptos before we finish off this bull run. Be ready for Xrp to go below $1 one last time. We have major support at the 86 cent launch pad. I do not believe that we go back below 86 cents, but you guys need to tune in. Get ready. Get ready for that. Someone says 87,000 for Bitcoin this year. I do think that Bitcoin's going to hit 72K easily this year. That is my prediction, 72K easily for this year. How is the sound coming through? We better do a sound check. Can we get the sound check on YouTube? Is that coming in clean for you guys? I did turn up my mic a little bit since last time, so hopefully it's coming through better for you guys. This is the opportunity to pick up those altcoins while they're on sale. Be ready. Okay, I thought that we were going to dip in the middle of the night. China might be waking up here shortly for their markets. That might be the start of this. China might be waking up Monday morning their time. So be ready, guys. This is the dip that we were talking about. Here it is. It's already started. XRP, I think this is going to be one of the last times that it goes below $1, to be honest. If it even does, there's major support at $1.01. Major support. But like I said, ask your TA guy, whoever you guys are following, and I hope that you guys aren't following 6 different people. Stick to 1 or 2 people that you vibe with and that are making good calls, and stick to them. Okay, I'm not a chart guy. I don't do the TA. We're watching the patterns, and we're tuned into this market pretty well. So ask them how low it's going to go. And if Bitcoin goes down to 55K, the alts are obviously going to bleed more. So, just be ready. Set your limit buys. Be ready to get in on this dip. If someone commented on my video, oh, I bought last night. I said, you're fine. You're going to make out just fine in the end. Right? I posted another TikTok this morning. I said, guys, if it stresses you out trying to time this market, just buy now, market buy, and then sell in December, and you'll be fine. Just buy now and sell in December, you'll be fine. Now, XRP is not going to go till January. I do believe that. Right? Bitcoin will top out in December, alts will follow, and then XRP, and let's just get right into this news, guys. If the judge does grant this extension of the lawsuit discovery period and we go out till January, that's fine. That times out exactly how we were expecting anyways, right? When we looked at how the market was going to flow here, it was going to flow from Bitcoin to ETH and the alts in December, and it wasn't going to hit XRP till the end, just like last bull run. So that's perfect timing. If the SEC gets granted their extension, which obviously this is just a staged lawsuit, complete puppet show, and you guys can see right here. shout out to Charles Gasparino, by the way. One of the good guys here that's actually covering real news. He's talking about this secret meeting, this behind the scenes meeting between Clayton and Gensler back in 2018. Now the date, it was 3/22, which for those of you who understand the numbers, 3/22, 3/22, that's a good one. They met on March 22nd. But let me remind everyone too that David Schwartz and Brad Garlinghouse met with Jay Clayton in 2018 as well. Ripple was all over the White House in 2018. I think that what's going on behind the scenes is you are seeing the financial elite need to get on board. They need to accumulate XRP at these cheaper prices. That's why they're pushing it down and stalling it. Think about how this is going to work out. They're able to pump Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then they're able to take their gains and move it into XRP. They're able to accumulate XRP while it's suppressed now. They don't care whether they're buying at $1.20 or at 95 cents, right? They're eating this up by the hundreds of millions and even billions, right? I should have brought this up in the news, but we're seeing the outflows from Ripple. They just sent, I forget which exchange it was, Huobi. They're sending hundreds of millions of XRP to all these exchanges. So we're just getting started, but you're seeing the financial elite need to get in on this. And so that's why they're stalling XRP. So for anyone who is asking, yes, XRP is going to quote unquote miss this bull run until it doesn't, until it pumps at the very end of this bull run after every other shitcoin is already gone. You're going to see XRP make the rest of the space look silly. And that's because these guys are having to get on behind the scenes. Brad Garlinghouse and David Schwartz met with Jay Clayton back in 2018, same time that Gensler was having behind the scenes meetings as well. All staged, and if the judge does happen to grant the SEC that extension and we go out 2 more months of discovery, that just means that the settlement's already done, guys. The case is over. XRP to 3 digits is already set in stone when they flip the switch. You heard David Schwartz say that recently at the developer conference. As soon as you want to start using real money, you flip the switch. Okay? We're coming up on the debt crisis once again in December, 12/3. That's when I'm predicting that Bitcoin will top out and reach its final peak. The altcoins are going to follow. XRP is going to miss the bull run, and everyone's going to be making fun of us. All by design. Super excited for it. Now let's get into some of this other news. I mean, gosh, we called this one perfectly, and we're just getting started. This dip below 60K for Bitcoin. Oh, you're paying $50 a month for the signals, and you didn't get that call? Anyways, let's continue on with the news. Zero Hedge. This is an article from Zero Hedge. They say, are you prepared for the mass repricing of goods and services? Now, I made a TikTok this morning. It was a joke, but it's for real. I said, if you guys want a good, solid investment, a guaranteed return on your investment, go buy double the amount of groceries that you need this month, because we are seeing the inflation hit so hard, and they have the nerve to tell us that inflation is at 2%. Now, guys, this is why Bitcoin could go to 100K. I'm not ruling out that it'll go to 100K this bull run. I know many people are calling for that. You have a lot of the Moon Boys calling for 200,000-300,000. I think that that's a little bit of a stretch. But this is why it could go to these prices, because we're having mass inflation right now. Are you prepared for the mass repricing of goods and services? They were selling family packs of steaks at Costco for $80. 4 pack of 12 ounces for $80 at Costco yesterday. Guys, I made the TikTok as a joke, but it's actually kind of crazy to think about. The prices are going nuts. And I hope you guys are prepared. Everyone wants the next best investment. What's the next micro cap gem? Bro, look at the price of beef. We're all going to have to go vegan here. Now, I already mentioned this, but guys, I cannot find another cryptocurrency company that is doing anything that Ripple is doing. Like, there's companies that are trying in the NFT space. They're trying in the smart contracts. They got DeFi platforms going on. Cool. There is one company that I'm seeing is laying their footprint throughout the whole space, every industry, every sector, and they're going in hard. Look at this, $250 million investment into NFTs. No other cryptocurrency company is coming even close. And I did record my NFT video today. I'm going to be dropping that, but it's the same spiel that I've been giving you guys. Yes, watch out for the scams. Pictures of penguins are worthless, but there's going to be massive amounts of utility coming through NFTs. They are going to be part of the new quantum financial system. And most definitely Ripple is going to be running a large chunk of NFTs through their network. I can't find, Coinbase, they launched their marketplace, or they're going to. They have over 1 million users joining, massive news. Visa bought a CryptoPunk who gives a hoot, right? Like, that's a joke to me that Visa comes into the space by buying a CryptoPunk. What a waste of money. But anyways, we are seeing the NFT space mature, and that's good to see. Ethereum wasn't able to handle digital kittens back in 2017, still can't handle anything now. And so it's good to see, the NFTs move over to Solana, and then they're going to be coming to Xrp, and Ripple will continue to dominate this space. I mean, I'm just not seeing anyone who's coming close, right? I put out another TikTok today. I said, I feel like a broken record talking about Xrp and Ripple, but there's no company coming close. You keep saying that XRP will never go low again, but then it drops low. Guys, we're watching micro tops and bottoms in these cycles that we're watching, this pattern that we're watching. I don't believe that XRP is going back below 86 cents. People keep giving me shit on TikTok saying, you said back in July that XRP was going, you said this and that. And it's like, well, bro, when I started making TikToks in February, XRP was at 40 cents. So go try to pick up a bag now. It's going to cost you 3 times as much, right? Not quite now because we're back to $1. But the point being, we're still 2 to 3x up from where we were when I first started talking about this. So we have gone up, 200-300% in the midst of an SEC lawsuit. It's not going to pump or top out till the end of the bull run, and that's not going to be till January, especially if it gets stalled in the lawsuit till January. So everyone who's investing into XRP, pull up your big girl, big boy pants, strap in, get ready. You're going to, quote unquote, miss the bull run. And you're gonna sell your XRP now to try to go chase gains, and then I hope to God that you're able to make it back in. I hope to God you're able to make it back in. So people want to know when it hits 3 figures. It doesn't matter if it's next year, 2023, or 2025, if it gets stalled out till then. In my opinion, it will be late 2022, by the way. But like I said, what does it matter? Pick up some now. How much are you accumulating now is my question. Let's continue on with the news, though, before I just ran about XRP for an hour. The CFTC has laid down the fine on Tether and Bitfinex, $42 million for untrue or misleading claims. Now, this is hilarious to me because Ripple's getting sued for $1.3 billion, yet Tether settles up for $42 million, even though their manipulation is valued in the billions of dollars. They're printing billions of Tether at a time. Now, what I've been saying for a while now is that we need to figure out what's going on with Tether. And I hope that it's backed 1-to-1. Now, it's already been proven that it's not backed 1-to-1. It's backed by a bunch of paper. And now we got this all coinciding at once tomorrow. The Bitcoin ETF is launching tomorrow. You have this Tether fine getting laid down. But then you also, tomorrow is the day that Evergrande, whatever you want to call it, is set to default tomorrow. And Tether just happens to be backed by a shit ton of Chinese commercial paper. So we'll see what happens. Okay, we'll see what happens. But, I've been talking about Tether, been sounding the alarm on Tether for a long time. Guys, Tether does 60% of the trading volume for the cryptocurrency space. Over 60%. Someone says, imagine missing out on a bull run by holding XRP. Well, we're going to do just fine at the end of the bull run. So good luck. I hope you're able to get your XRP back after you're done trading shitcoins. Really hope you're able to make it back in. So yeah, this news that I talked about, SEC approves Bitcoin futures ETF. They're going to short the hell out of this. Very simple. They're going to short the hell out of this tomorrow, starting tomorrow. And I think that we're going down to 55K easily, but probably down to 51K. That's what happened last time. Last time Bitcoin went up to all-time high, it stopped at 62, came back to 51, and then launched a new all-time high. So that's what happened last time. I'm expecting them to come in hard with the shorts on Bitcoin ETF trading starting tomorrow. To me, yeah, this is all coming, guys. Mass adoption. The big boys are going to play. They're going to place their bets, and they're going to drive this market. Remember, back in 2017, they launched the CME futures contracts the day after Bitcoin topped out, and the price crashed from there. Now, I don't think that the Bitcoin bull run is over yet, but I am expecting a massive dip, and this will be part of it. This will be part of it. It's like literally, it's a joke. Every time there's supposedly good news coming out for Bitcoin, we have Elon Musk, tweets about it or whatever. Every time that happens, it seems like the price goes down for Bitcoin. Like El Salvador Day was an absolute flop for Bitcoin. The futures ETFs going to be the start of a big dip, in my opinion, a big dip. Now, I am turning bullish by the end of this month, so don't think that I'm just like a perma bear or anything. I'm seeing how this market moves. We're watching the patterns, and we're not going to go straight up from here to all-time highs. Okay, there's going to be a little ride, and people get confused because a 20% move is quote-unquote bull market. 20% downside is a bear market by old definitions through the stocks. So just because I'm saying that we're going down now, guys, I couldn't be more bullish towards the end of this month, leading into November. Then we'll have once again another pullback in November, later November. And then we're going to finish off with the blow off top in December, and I'm super bullish. Super bullish. I mean, no one's more bullish on XRP than me long term. But guys, this is how we buy in at 5%, 10% discounts. We don't need to time the bottom. Maybe we won't get a 20% pullback, but we could. We could get a 20% pullback from here. In fact, XRP's damn near close. Damn close. And I don't, anyways. Yeah, look out for that, guys. Look out for that. It's already started. The dip has already started. I don't know what Bitcoin's at now. 59.7. So we are back below 60K. And this was going to be big. Was closing a weekly candle above 60K. So I don't know if we're going to be able to do that. Looks like we might fall a little bit short, but that's fine. That's fine. I mean, guys, this is how this is going to go, right? We're going to go down. We're going to have a little dip, a little consolidation. Okay, people are going to be worried. Is that it? Is the bull run over? Why didn't my altcoins go? Just take advantage of the dip. For those of you in my community, I've been warning you guys, and we're going to take advantage of this dip. We're going to pack our bags even more. Ethereum down 3% today. Cardano down 3%. XRP down 6%. Was even more. XLM was also down too. I don't know what XLM's at now. 37 cents. Yeah, so it was down like 8%. So time to load up. Algorand's about to drop below $1.70 again, probably. Down 4% right now. What other news? I think I might actually be through all of my news that I had. Yeah. that I only had like 4 or 5 news articles for you guys today. So let's get right into the Q&A, and I'm going to pull up this chart here for you guys on YouTube. This is the Songbird chart that Dark Defender has for us. So shout out to Dark Defender on Twitter. And if you guys are watching on YouTube right here, so we have a resistance level. We have resistances at 48 cents, 60 cents, and 69 cents for the Songbird. And we have supports at 40 cents and 33 cents. But we're trading in a nice little range here. Now, I have not received my Songbird yet. Hopefully Coinbase will get their act together and I'll receive mine shortly. But in the meantime, I'm just watching this Songbird token. Pretty interesting stuff. And then I'm going to show you guys this chart as well. This is another one from Dark Defender. He says, hi there, up the coffee cups. Well, cheers, Dark Defender, because I got a nice cup of black coffee here, and we're just going to watch this thing because they can't shake us out. He says we have support at $1.01. We're placing buy orders at $1.01, right? We're ready to eat this thing up on these dips. He says, let me give you an update on the daily chart for XRP. The area is narrowing down each day, which will create a price move expected on or before the 8th of November and the 13th of December. Now, this was the key part that I saw from his chart. He says on or before November 8th and December 13th. And you guys know what I've been saying. We're going to get another run up towards the new moon or around the new moon in November. And I believe that the new moon date on November is the 4th. The 4th of November is the new moon. And then the new moon in December is actually the 3rd. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much right there, right? Give or take a couple days. Right at the start of November, we're going to have another pump. And right again at the start of December. He has resistance at $1.28 and our supports at $1.01. And this is on the daily chart. Now, he has targets of $1.81, $2.66, $7.39, and $20.55. And that's by the end of this year, guys. The end of this year going into January. Yeah. His chart matches up exactly with my thinking, everything that I'm seeing. Yeah, so this is what we're expecting, guys. I think that the first move, like he said, he has that first wave up going to about the $7 mark. God, we're going to wake up one morning, XRP is going to be at $7, and we're all going to be freaking, we're not going to know what to do. Literally overnight, we're going to be at $7. And then, pull back consolidation, and then a launch to $20. I think that we got something like that coming for us, guys. I think that just the hype, the rest of this bull run can take us to that new all-time high, even a $5, even, $7 like he has, before the settlement gets announced. I mean, just the fact, if the judge does grant the extension of time for the SEC, that just lines up perfectly with January, us going absolutely nuts. What's the logo on the shirt? I got the XRP shirt here. If you guys want any XRP merch, link should be in the description there. And make sure you use my coupon code and get a little discount on that. But yeah, we got the XRP merch in the description of this video. Now, I recorded 2 videos today. I have an NFT video that I'm going to be dropping after this stream. And then I have a video on my Discord, basically what's included in my Discord dropping as well on YouTube. So I kind of just explain what's all included. I'm going to try to push more portfolio reviews, and then we're going to start doing one-on-ones here shortly. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'll take a look at it for you guys. So if you want access to the Discord, it's in my description as well. Links in the bio of the TikTok. You join the Patreon, and then I'll send you the Discord link, and we'll get you in there. But I am going to be doing more portfolio reviews, and that's going to be absolutely free, included in the Discord. Absolutely free. If you're in my Discord, I'll be doing a portfolio review for you for free. and take that with a grain of salt. I mean, I'm not a financial advisor. I haven't been in crypto for 10 years, but I've been studying this pretty good for 3 years every day. So take advantage of that, though. I don't know how long I'm actually going to be able to do that, but in the meantime, just trying to bring as much value as I can to the Discord. So I'll be dropping that YouTube video where I'll explain the Discord if you are curious about what's all included in that. That'll be dropping on YouTube, and then my NFT video is going to be dropping later as well. So with that being said, what are the questions? What's up, guys? If you guys are on YouTube, got questions, let me know. Is the extension of the court confirmed? No, we've not heard. And there's basically nothing else that's scheduled. She's going to be reviewing the 3 documents that the SEC had to turn in. But other than that, there's like nothing scheduled until the end of discovery. Ship to Canada. I don't know if we ship to Canada. If Nicole is in the chat, can she let me know if she ships to Canada? I do think that we do. What's worth investing more into, Flare or Songbird? Definitely Flare. Definitely Flare, in my opinion, because Songbird is the canary network. So it's like a test network for Flare. It's not meant to be. I mean, shit, I don't know. Maybe you'll have just as good of an opportunity or even a better one with Songbird. I don't know how that'll work. For me, the Flare tokens and the Songbird tokens, it's all a cherry on top for me. I mean, it's just like an extra. I'll be getting a bunch of Flare. I'll be getting a bunch of Songbird, hopefully, if Coinbase gets their shit together. And that'll be cool. Man, I don't really... Yes, I might plan on selling some of it, but we'll see what happens. I might just kind of use it as like a safety net. You know, if I ever need to sell off anything for emergency or something, I could sell off some Flare or Songbird. Yeah. Yep. Any smart chains? Well, I should pull up the news in regards to the, what do they call them? It's the Oracle solution that was just created for the XRP ledger. I'm trying to remember, what do they call it? The side chains that just came out for the XRP ledger, guys. Federated side chains, that's what it is. Basically, it's an Oracle solution for XRP now. Going to be massive. Who is eligible for Flare and Songbird? If you weren't part of the snapshot back in December of 2020, you are not eligible. What's up? What's up? How's everyone doing tonight? Someone says they mine $50 of Bitcoin per day. Hold or diversify? Well, personally, I would be moving it out as quickly as I could. Yep. And pick your favorite altcoin, any other altcoin besides Bitcoin, personally, because there's just not much of a return left for Bitcoin, right? Even if we get a 3x up to 150K, I mean, the chances of that are very unlikely, in my opinion, this bull run. So yeah, I would be moving out. Not financial advice, but yeah. Why are we crashing? Well, the ETF launches tomorrow, so I think that's going to be there's going to be a lot of shorts coming in tomorrow. There was a lot of people selling at 60K, at 61K, guys. A lot of people that's been in Bitcoin for a while. This was a second chance for them to exit at 60K. Do I think that Gensler? I'm not even going to read that question. Shout out to Gary Gensler. Really cool guy. What do we got here on YouTube? What is the estimated dip for alts like HBAR and XDC? Be ready for XDC at 10 cents. It has major support there at 10 cents. And HBAR, I have no levels for HBAR. I think back to the 30 cent level without taking a look at it. I'll look at HBAR here next. If Ripple wins the case, do you think the price of XRP will be more sustainable overall? Yeah, once it gets to a higher price and we actually get the pools of liquidity opened up, it'll be stabilized at a much higher price. It won't be stable until then. Until we have trillions of dollars flowing through XRP every day, it's not going to be stabilized. I mean, that's, for example, why Bitcoin's already decently stable. Decently. Will I sell at $10? No. So I'm going to put together my full exit strategy. That's one of my next videos that I'm going to be working on. I don't know if I'll probably release like a watered down version of my exit strategy on YouTube. Full exit strategy is going to be in my Discord though. We got Big Ben in the chat. Shout out to everyone. I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you. Thank you for coming in tonight. Sunday chat. I didn't have much news to go over, but now we're just watching. Perfectly called the dip, and we're just getting started. Hope you're ready. Hope you guys are ready. I mean, hopefully you already had some buy orders down here, maybe. Maybe you already had buy orders placed at $1.04, $1.05, and maybe you already got those filled. That's what I've been telling you. And now, we got major support at $1.01. So that would be the next area to look at for XRP specifically. Let's look at HBAR though. Someone asked about HBAR. Let's look at all these coins. HBAR down to 35, yeah. And it's already down 5% today. Let's look at the 1 month. Yeah, I mean, easily could go back to 30 cents. But don't try to time these bottoms, guys. Don't try to time the bottom, okay? Ladder in your position as we go down. Place a buy order at 10% down from here, at 15% down from here, 20% down from here. I don't know. We probably won't be doing that. ETH, still hold or sell some. Well, I'm not going to tell you what to do. What I'm going to tell you though is I think that ETH is probably going to stretch out to like 6 or 7K easily. I don't know about hitting 10K. You know, that's the big number. Everyone wants ETH to hit 10K, but there's going to be so much sell pressure from 7,000 to 10,000 for ETH that I think it'll be struggling to hit that. But potential. I mean, if Bitcoin goes up to 140, ETH might be able to do that 10K then, yeah. We'll see what happens. What are the key HODL coins? XRP, XLM, XDC, HBAR, Quant, Algo. Those are the main ones that we're looking at. Someone says I'm hoarding. Yeah. Everyone's got a little stash of XRP. Okay, Bitcoin pushing up to 60K. Oh, wait, no, never mind. 59.8. Mine coin market cap's always glitching out. Fed buyback of XRP, are they going to do this? No, I think that the Federal Reserve, for one, now is within the Treasury Department, and I do believe that they are working deals with Ripple for the XRP in escrow. I think that they're just going to be buying it from escrow. There's no reason to do a buyback when they can still get billions of XRP at a discount from Ripple. And I want you guys to understand the implication of that with this looming debt crisis and liquidity crisis. Ripple has set themselves up to be a lender of last resort. So be ready for that. Just be ready for that. The deals are going to be announced, and by that time, it'll be too late. I don't know. Yeah. No, Dante, I'm on YouTube as well. So we are streaming right now on TikTok and YouTube. If you guys haven't subscribed to the YouTube, you got to. I have 150K on TikTok, and I got like not even 2,000 on YouTube. So please show some love and enter in to win 150 XRP. I'm going to give away 150 XRP this month on my YouTube channel. Be ready for that. I just might give away more XRP than some of these kids hold. opinion on Bitmart. I have not used Bitmart. I got nothing for you on that one. Now, let's see, what else do you guys got? If you guys drop your comments in the YouTube, and I'll get them answered for you guys as well. I'm watching TikTok Q&A and the YouTube as well. I will sub if you answer my question. XRP end of cycle. $7 easily, but I think that we're going to do $20. Yeah, I think that we're going to do $20 for XRP this run. And it might not be, no, it most likely won't be till January. Most likely won't be till January, okay? Is anybody else on right now? A lot of, I shouldn't even get into it. Anyways, shout out to all the other crypto TikTokers. Do I hold HNT? No, I do not. I only hold XRP and XDC right now, guys. Those are the only two that I hold personally. I exited Algorand, exited XLM. I want to buy some XLM though. I'm having some XLM FOMO. Now, I already had XLM. I bought it at like 6 cents. So I exited XLM and I bought a shit ton more XRP with it. That was a while ago. It worked out well, but I have no XLM right now. How much XRP do I have? I just have a few XRP. Just a couple, a little couple of those tokens. Will I sell at $10? No. I'm okay. I'm going to put out my full exit strategy video, but the numbers that I'm looking at are $20 to $30 exiting a small, very, very small portion of my bag. Less than 10%, maybe only 5%. Like, maybe I won't sell it all, though. I mean, I'm really not trying to sell this bull run. When will we see a collaboration with me and BitBoy? I've thought about, I need to get in contact with them because they need a real member from the XRP community on his Around the Blockchain. He's got all these other characters on there, but he needs a true member of the XRP army to come step up and I wonder. Full audio. Yeah, I don't know why people are saying that the audio is only coming through on the left side for some people. I really need help. I need to get a producer. Yeah. But yeah, I do need to get on BitBoy's Around the Blockchain because he's got all these other guys on there talking nonsense and no one, he never has people on there who know what they're talking about with XRP. I've seen like nobody. Shiba, what's Shiba doing? I saw it was back down. The old Shiba. Doing all right. It's holding all right. Whatever that price is, 0.000024. Just bought some Tezos. Yeah, Tezos is one that has not hit all-time high from the previous bull run. So that's another like bull run swing trade for me is Tezos. Take a look at that one. Shiba. When's Jed's bag of XRP going to be empty? Well, he's not selling anymore. If you go look at Jed's wallet, I don't even think that he's receiving any more XRP. I think that he's received all of the XRP that he's going to get and he's stopped selling. Thoughts on Shiba? Guys, it's just a real big gamble, and it's already made a massive run up. I don't know how much more you can squeeze out of that one. I'm not a fan of it. I'm not a fan of that move. But I'm also the same person that said that Dogecoin, everyone should sell their Dogecoin at 10 cents. So I missed the boat on that one completely. I missed out on making thousands of dollars myself on Dogecoin too. I sold, where did I buy? I bought Doge at half a penny. For $100, I got 20,000 Doge, and I sold it at break even because I was just like, this is stupid, and I sold it. I would have made like 6-7 grand off of my Doge, off of a $100 bet. But that's the thing, guys, with the shitcoin investments. If you throw 50 or $100, or a few $100 in one of these shitcoins, when it goes up to 5 grand, cash out. Like, you don't need to hold it at that point. You turned $50 into 5 grand, bro. Like, what else are you trying to squeeze out of that, right? Take your profits. Don't get greedy. When will the shitcoins disappear? Not until the regulations come in. Yeah, not until some big lawsuits get dropped and regulations really come in. But remember how our government works. They're building a case on everyone. So even the promoters of this, of the shit coins, of the scams, they think that they're taking the money and running and that they're going to be fine. But what they do is they build a case until they have a nice big bag to come get, and then they take you down. That's why they went after Ripple first, because they could go after Ripple for $1.3 billion. Actually, now that I'm reminded of that, Tether was initially sued for $1 trillion. Am I tripping, or like, I'm pretty sure that that's what it was. Let me Google this. Now they just settled for $40 million, which is a joke. Tether settles a $1 trillion lawsuit regarding manipulation. See what I'm saying? They settled up and then they just got a $40 million fine. So, oh my God, what a joke. They sue Ripple for $1.3 billion. They're going after Tether for $1 trillion, and they're able to settle with Tether for $40 million. Thoughts on Iota? Iota's a major sleeper. I always forget that one. I need to really do a deep dive on that one. Iota's a sleeper, guys. You guys got to check it out. Take a look at it. It's still nowhere near the previous all-time high of last bull run, so it's definitely a perfect contender to swing trade, and still squeeze out a bunch. Remember, guys, like Ethereum and all these other ones, they've already hit all-time high this cycle. So for Ethereum to get another 2 or 3x from that previous all-time high is going to be pretty tough to do. For these other ones to do 3 to 5x when they haven't even gone on that all-time high, I think that that's where the money's going to be at. How's XRP doing? It's down to $1.08 right now. Yeah. So it touched down to $1.04, but yeah, guys, get ready. Get ready. I don't think that we're done. You're going to still be able to pick up some deals here. How important is circulating supply when it comes to price stability? I have XRP, but it is wise to invest in another crypto with a large circulating supply. Okay, yeah, great question, Christopher. Here's the thing. People are doing the market cap calculation for XRP all wrong because they're doing it with the full supply versus that circulating supply. And when you look at the real numbers, yeah, there's 46 billion XRP in quote unquote circulation, but how much of it's actually moving? How much is actually in the pools of liquidity, right? It's much less. So you're dealing with a much smaller amount of XRP than what's on paper there. And that's why everyone's doing the market cap calculation wrong for XRP. But Go look at Hex. Hex has, I'm going to look this up right now, actually, because this is a perfect example, actually. Perfect example. Hex has a market cap of 51 billion, but the trading volume is $42 million. So no one's moving Hex, right? $42 million worth of Hex trading. That's a joke. But the market cap equals 51 billion. And that's because everyone's got it staked up and they're holding it, right? So, I mean, that's the way that Hex is structured. But XRP is kind of similar in some ways because you're going to have large banks and financial institutions holding XRP as a reserve. Yeah, see, that's the thing though. You're forced to lock up your Hex, but they're going to want to hold their XRP. They're not going to have to be forced to hold it like Hex or to stake it, whatever that is. Right? They're going to want to. That's going to be one of the most important line items on a bank's or financial institution's financial statement going forward is how much XRP do you got? That's the point that I'm making there. But as far as investing into other ones, you have to look really at the market. Okay, I kind of just contradicted myself. You have to look at like the market cap right now to understand like these micro caps. I don't, man. I skip a lot of them. Because with a lot of these projects, yeah, the tokenomics looks better on paper, but 2 or 3 whales have 80% of the supply. And so they can dump at any given moment. And now you might say the same thing with XRP, but that's a completely different situation with Ripple. They're only putting the XRP out into the public space for utility. That's the difference. Discovery now being moved to January. Yeah, that's potential. The judge has not granted that yet, but we'll see what happens. And I've been saying, guys, XRP probably won't go till January. So perfectly lines up with what we're looking at. What coins am I talking about besides XRP? I talk about all of them. I mean, we can talk about any coin you want. News on the John Deaton class action lawsuit. It's up like 45,000 people or more have signed up. Hex is well set up. Man, Hex is an interesting project, I will say that. And Richard Hart's an even more interesting character. I have stayed away from it, but interesting deal. Oh, the top wallets have most of the supply. Well, a lot of them. I mean, go onto the Blockchain Explorer and you can look and see. You can see how many whales there are and all that. So it looks like Bitcoin is back over 60K, but we'll see how long this lasts. Yeah, I do think that the settlement has already been agreed 100%. So the number one question that I'm getting right now is, do you think that XRP will miss this bull run? Well, I put the quotations around miss because we are going to miss it. We are going to miss it. Bitcoin's going to go first, then Ethereum and the altcoins, and then XRP is going to go last. After everyone's already pumped and made all their money and they're making fun of us, it's going to look like we missed it until the price runs up before the settlement gets announced. And then the settlement gets announced and it goes up even higher. And then FOMO kicks in even more. And then XRP makes the rest of the space look silly, like I've been saying, guys. And I'm not advising anyone to sell any XRP to go try to trade other coins right now. The chances of you getting like not being able to get it, or just make that too scary for me. So I do not recommend selling any XRP to go chase other gains. If you do, I wish you the best, and I hope you're able to make it back in. There's too many variables and factors into doing that make me feel comfortable telling anyone to do that. Because, yeah, that makes sense. On paper, it pencils out. Oh, yeah, I'm going to, why even hold XRP right now? I'll just go trade other coins and get my gains there and then get into XRP later. Well, what happens when XRP is already at all-time high in December before the settlement's announced? You're not going to be able to get your bag. This is going to be the last time we're going below $1, I think. This dip that we're about to have, that we're having right now. Cardano, yeah. I think Cardano still has some room. After I've already missed a coin by a lot, I get mad at myself, so I don't get in. So like Cardano, I was watching Cardano at 3 to 5 cents back in 2020. So when it pumped to $1, I was mad and I didn't buy in at $1. Then I saw it go over $2, and then I was even more mad, and that's where I am now. I'm just mad. So I'm not buying into Cardano, but I believe in Charles Hoskinson, and I wish them the best. But when I miss one like that, I don't go in late, right? After it's already done that kind of percentage gain, I'm good. It's like, you got me on that one. XLM, man, XLM has major potential. $3 to $5 XLM by the end of this bull run is easy. And that's just 3 to 5x off the previous all-time high bull run in 2017. So thank you for tuning in tonight, guys. What are the other chart guys saying? What are the other creators saying? I haven't seen any of them like on today. What are they saying about this dip? Was anybody else saying that we were going to dip? What do I need to get on, Gabe? Oh, are you talking about Cardano? What are the other chart guys saying? Because like the guys that I follow, no one posted today on YouTube. Ben says, let's get someone in here and debate. Yeah, I agree. The dip is a healthy pullback, 100%. I don't believe in the Fed buyback. No, I believe in the Fed buying from the escrow. I believe in the Fed escrow purchase. I don't believe that they're going to buy it back from us. There's no need to. I don't think that they're going to ban us either. No. No one's banned from holding gold. No one's banned from holding any of the commodities. Where the potential is for that is for you to be able to buy it at wholesale from that escrow account. That's where the licensing and all that would come in with the CFTC, the Commodities Futures Trading Commission, and all that. So, yeah, there is that potential. But at the retail level, I don't think that they're worried about the retail level holding XRP. We're such a small percentage of people. People say XRP goes to $2 this bull run, and I mean, to me, that's just laughable. All the major coins in the space have done a 3 to 5x from the previous all-time high. So why would XRP not even break all-time high? And now, once again, people will be saying that because XRP will only be trading at $2 in December when Bitcoin's gone to all-time high, and then the alts start pumping, and XRP is only at $2. They'll be like, see, I told you XRP was only going to $2 this bull run. And then in January, it's going to make the rest of the space look like an absolute joke. I don't know. I wouldn't respect anyone who says that XRP is going to just $2 this bull run. And that's not because I'm an XRP investor and I believe in Ripple and everything they're doing. It's because where are you getting that information from? Like, where is that on the charts? It's nowhere on the charts to be found that XRP only goes to $2. So then put in your fundamental analysis. Your fundamental analysis says that it's only going to $2. Bro, Ripple just invested $250 million in NFTs. No other company in this space has even come close to that. 400 banks and financial institutions already partnered with them. No one is even close to that. 50 central banks already working with them. No one is even close to that. No, only 2 or 3 other cryptocurrency companies are even allowed to talk to central banks. XLM, Algorand, Quant, maybe a handful. You got Circle with USDC. You guys, your cryptocurrency project that you're investing in can't even go sit at the table. And you're telling me that XRP is only going to go to $2 this bull run. Respectfully, they should delete their whole page or just post dog videos. They should stop talking about cryptocurrency if they're saying that XRP is only going to go to $2. I just don't know what else to say. That's an absolute joke. Pretty much all ISO projects are suppressed 100%. And I think that that's because you have the banks, financial institutions, they're all onboarding. Rosie Rios told us the train has left the station. So the last guys are hopping on board while they can. That's what's happening before we get this reset. If you're so bullish, why are you only selling a small percentage before the bull run? Well, I'm talking about selling potentially a very small percentage at a $20 or $30 price. That would be kind of the top of this bull run cycle. But like I said, I believe in 3 digits by the end of 2022. So that's why I'm not selling more than 5 or 10% of my bag if we reach out to $20 or $30. I believe in 3, 4, and 5 digit XRP. But for my own personal reasons, I want to just have a little safety net. I'll have a little chunk of change there that is just a safety net. If I sell 5% at $20 or $30, I'm not selling any at $10, right? It's going to have to stretch out to $20 or $30 for me to even consider selling a 5% position. When do you think this reset happens? Well, it's underway, but December 3rd is when the debt crisis, the default happens again for our government. So we'll see what happens. It's all staged political theater, but yeah, by the end of this year, into 2022, is when the reset's going to occur. You're going to get the blow off top of the cryptocurrency space, then regulations will hit, and then CBDCs are going to get launched and rolled out over the next year or two as well. So yeah, it's all coinciding basically for the crash to be basically right at the start of next year. Yeah, no, absolutely. Guys, there's no way that I see Ripple losing this case. There's no way. You think they will kick the can down the road again? Well, yeah, probably. Probably. Yeah. In December, though, maybe in December they'll extend it out to March. But guys, the rest of the world is done using the United States dollar. So the longer that they do this, the worse it gets for us. It's unfortunate. We should just bite the bullet right now. What percentage of XRP is your portfolio? It's over 80%, man. I only started to diversify really this year. Dingo says, I love you, Zach, but there's no way SEC will lose. It's a government body and will send a message. Well, yeah, that's why a settlement would take place, because a settlement's a win for them in that they'll get to serve a $22 million fine. They'll serve a $22 million fine, or they'll be, they'll get a settlement for that much from Ripple, so they can say that it's a win, and then they go after the rest of the cryptocurrency space. Yeah, that is the plan, to destroy the dollar and the American economy. Yeah, and the average person, the middle class family, like I put out the TikTok today, we're going to be paying $80 for a family pack of steaks. And we're just getting started, haven't even made it to winter yet. Yeah, guys, and don't forget that the SEC went after Amazon, Tesla, Apple, yeah, everyone. Everyone. Dennis bailed from the group. Why? Why did Dennis leave? People are dropping like flies, guys. Seeing it just across the board in the XRP community. Yeah. Mass capitulation is here. People are giving up. They're selling their bags to go chase other gains, and they're just doing stupid shit. Seeing it all over the place. Do you think the XRP accepts this? Well, it's about the judge. If the judge grants discovery extension till January, that's fine. That's fine. That proves that a deal's already been done, that they just want to continue to stall it. We're just getting started, though, guys. I mean, we already have people capitulating, and we still got a ways to go. Still got a ways to go. You're going to have to be ready to watch Bitcoin just fly, watch the altcoins go, and XRP is still going to be at $2. It's all part of the plan. You got to know what you hold. People selling XRP for Shiba? Are you kidding me? Dingo says, last time I sold my coins to chase others, I lost it all. Exactly. Exactly. What's my price prediction when the case settles, guys? Like I said, $20 to $30. I think we're actually going to hit it this run, $20 to $30. When am I going to take profits? I'm not really worried about taking my profits till XRP's at 3 digits. So yeah, I'm not. And I'm probably not even going to sell at that point. I'm just going to take out a loan against my bag. So not really looking at selling, but I'll talk about that in my full exit strategy video. What would I suggest for an exit strategy video? I would suggest you subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my exit strategy video that I will be dropping later this week. It's not hitting 3 digits. All right, good luck, bud. Good luck. Good luck. I use KuCoin and Uphold right now. I use Uphold to buy XRP. I use KuCoin to trade. I make most of my purchases on Uphold right now. Do I get inside info on XRP? Yeah. I got the same guy as BitBoy. No, I know who to follow in the XRP community, though. That's the thing about this, the XRP army. We don't need any leader, because everyone here is doing their own research, and there's tons of guys out here, tons of guys and gals that put together fantastic research. So whatever BitBoy's been saying recently, the XRP community has been talking about for years. So TMC, did you mean GMC? Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Remember, guys, XRP's market cap surpassed Ethereum's last bull run. Never forget. Never forget. What about ADA? I think that it has room to go. I don't know how much more this bull run, but I mean, it's already way up, guys. Like I said, it crashed to 3 cents during the March 2020 crash. I wanted to buy Cardano, but at the time, there was nowhere to get Cardano, or it was tough to get. No, TMC? I've never heard of TMC. I really wish it's not about wishing that it plays out. It's not about luck. Bro, the deals have been done. Name me another cryptocurrency that's on 3 patents of the caliber that's a Swift patent, a Goldman Sachs patent, and a Synchrony Bank patent. Name me a cryptocurrency that has even like 1 patent that it's featured on of that caliber. You can't. You can't. Name me another project that's working with 50 central banks. You can't. You can't name me a project that's working with 5 central banks. Name me another project that has 400 of the largest banks and financial institutions as partners. You can't name me a project with 4 banks that are really using the token. There's no luck involved here, guys. I mean, we're lucky. I was lucky that I stumbled upon XRP when I did, but yeah, the Evergrande default is supposed to take place tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Going to be an interesting one. Bitcoin back up over 61K. So, 60,800 right now. So, yeah, that's what's happening is people are buying up the dip, but I think that there's going to be some more blood to come. Be ready. Do I follow XRP Lion? Yes, I have seen him. Yep, I have seen him. I don't believe in yeah, I've seen XRP Lion's, his theory about the Fed buyback. I just believe that they're going to buy the XRP from escrow. There's no reason to buy it back from us. Do I know anything about hyper funds? No. Should we buy ETN? That's another interesting project, right? It's going to be part of the Digital Pound Foundation. It is partnered with Ripple. What's it at? It's at 2 cents right now. Wow, I didn't realize that it was back around in 2017. Electronium's actually been around for a while. Wow. The all-time high was 23 cents. I would say that there's some opportunity there then for sure. Because it still hasn't hit. I didn't realize that. I need to write that down. So I'm putting together a list of projects that have not hit their previous all-time high from 2017's bull run. And that's going to be the list of trades that I would be entering in. And I need to do that soon because we're coming into this opportunity right now, this dip that's going to happen this week. H-bar, yeah, H-bar already hit its all-time high now, so not as much opportunity there. Not as much opportunity there. In my opinion, this bull run. Good long-term hold, yes. But this bull run, the potential that you have for this bull run, that's what I'm looking at now. Casino Coin. Casino Coin hasn't been around for that long, though, has it? Oh, no, it was. It was. Wow. Okay, that might be another one. All-time high of 1 penny, 0.012. But that was earlier this year, though. That was earlier this year in March of 2021. So it's had, but back in 2017, 2018, it pumped too. Yeah. It got all the way up to 47 cents in 2017. CoinMarketCap has this glitched out for me. I don't know what's going on here. I have it trading at like 43 cents, almost 50 cents, right when Bitcoin topped out in 2017. So, yeah, that would be some potential there for sure. That's crazy. I'm going to have to study that one more. Obviously, runs on XRP Ledger, I believe. So, that is a good little project. Yeah, the casino coin chart's all wacky. I don't know what's going on there. But yeah, up to 50 cents in 2017. Well, then there's a huge shit. I might go buy some crypto after this. Or at least place my buy orders because I still think we're going to dip a little bit more. Comments on Richard Hart and Hex. It's an interesting guy there with Richard. Interesting project with Hex. At this point, I'm going to stay away. It's used to trade XRP long positions. Yeah, it's definitely an interesting project there, Casino Coin. We'll definitely look more into that one. So I have Iota, Electroneum, and Casino Coin, and they're all, I guess ETN is just partnered with Ripple. Iota doesn't have anything to do with Ripple from what we know. It is supposed to be an ISO 200 coin though. And then Casino Coin as well is built on the XRP ledger. Yeah, I'm super excited to get some Iota. Hopefully I can get some. I can't use BitTrue in Washington State, so I can't get it. I'm trying to find. I know it's on like Voyager and a couple other places. ETN had it ICO. Yeah, that's something to look at. ETN, so much of this space did an ICO. And Gary Gensler and Jay both said that all of them are securities offerings. Besides Ethereum, Ethereum gets the free pass while they're working on ETH 2.0, which is essentially another security. Quant is ISO 202. Yeah. Yeah, I don't use VPNs. I don't mess around like that, guys. Personally, I'm not smart enough for that. Pack protocol, never heard of it. What did Elon just tweeted? Uh-oh. Let's go to Twitter. All the way from corrupt South Africa. Shout out to South Africa. Hope you guys are doing good. All across the world, you guys be tuning in, and it's super cool. Super cool, all the connections that we've been able to make through TikTok. Oh boy, is that a picture of a cat? I've thought about, and I'm not sorry for party rockin'. Why is that a cat? What did Elon just post? He's a silly guy. He's such a silly guy. He posted a rocket, though, so that probably means the market's about to tank. What's up? How's it going, Jemmy? How's everyone doing tonight? Yeah, we're still in here. We're still in here. Been on stream for an hour and 12 minutes, or hour and 15 minutes. Elon a troll. He's one of the best trolls, for sure. For sure. That's why he's a good indicator. When he tweets out the rockets, you know it's about to crash. So Bitcoin just pumped back up to 61.2. So that's going to be interesting to see. I mean, that's going to be, if Bitcoin's able to just float around. Although, was that for the weekly close? That might have been for the weekly close. I forget when that technically ends. Am I in Bitcoin? No, I'm not in Bitcoin at all. Yeah, it looks like a rabbit, not a cat. Okay. Elon's funny. Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what Bitcoin does, but I still think that we got a dip coming. I'm not worried or frustrated about XRP at all. No. I'm still 3x up at the current price. Why would I be mad? Did I see the new buyback video for XRP at 10,000 plus? I have not seen that one. I have not seen. The government's upset that people are not letting go of their XRP bags 100%. Yeah. 100%. Will this vid stay up after you're done streaming? Yes. This will be reposted on my YouTube. So you'll be able to go back and watch this. If you guys missed this stream, the full stream will be on my YouTube. Alts, then so it goes, Bitcoin, Ethereum, alts, and then XRP is going to go last. At least that's what happened last bull run, and I think we can expect something similar, especially if the SEC lawsuit gets drug out till January. How would XRP achieve price stability in a volatile market and get retail holders out? Once the pools of liquidity get opened up, we're talking trillions of dollars flowing through XRP. That's how it's going to be stabilized, because it's going to take trillions of dollars to move it. Once it has trillions of dollars flowing through it daily, you're not going to be able to move it with a $50 million purchase or sale, right? So that's how it stabilizes. But also the volatility thing doesn't matter with XRP because the transactions are settled in 3 seconds. So that's why an XRP transaction is less volatile than any other Swift transaction or any other transaction in the traditional markets right now, is because the settlement is done in 3 seconds. So there is no currency conversion. There's nothing to worry about there. It's done in 3 seconds. Has Jed sold recently? No, he has stopped selling recently. The SEC lawsuit might drag on for another year. I don't believe that it can. We're due for a reset. We're due for them to lay down the law with the crypto regulations. We're due for them to launch their CBDC. So, I mean, do I rule it out? No, but I just don't think that it's likely. Yeah, exactly. That's a sign. Yeah, Jed has not sold recently. No. So no one can come at us saying the founders are still dumping on you. First off, it was only Jed who ever, quote unquote, dumped on us. Brad and Chris never dumped on us. He's not dumping his bags, okay? He's not selling right now. Bear market dip, lowest price prediction. 90% pullback can be done, guys. 90% pullback. So regardless of what crypto you're talking about, 50 to 90% can be done easily in a bear market. I have more bags, right? Not just XRP. All I hold are XRP and XDC. And then I have my trading bag, which is the number one thing that I'm seeing right now is everyone's trading with their whole bag. And I understand if you have like less than $1,000, you need to, place your bets and maybe trade to create some more money. But that's the problem with a lot of people right now is they're trading with their whole bag. But like for XRP, if XRP goes up to $20 or $30, it's not going below $2 again, right? And as brutal as that sounds, talking about going back down to $2 or $3 after 20, not a big deal. Not a big deal. Your portfolio is going to go from 42,000 back down to 3,000 or whatever the math. I probably butchered that, but you guys get my point. And at that point, there's going to be even more people capitulating and selling out their XRP, and I'm done with this. Do I realize that 90% next? Well, no, because my bag is not moving. You got rugged in an NFT project? Which project was that? The rug pulls in the NFT space, they just keep on coming. Soul Toads. There you go. The Soul Toads. Man, just time and time again here. Be careful out here in the NFT space, man. What I'm talking about though is I'm not trading my XRP. I'm not trading my XDC. Right? That's a long-term hold bag. Yeah, I mean, you can classify it as a trade because I'm buying it now in the expectation that it's going to go to a higher price later. Okay. The point is, do you have 2,000 XRP in your bag? Do you have 5,000 XRP in your bag? Do you have 8,000 XRP in your bag? Are you in the top 5% of holders? Do you have 10,000 XRP in your bag, which I consider to be a generational wealth bag of XRP? If you know what you hold and you're willing to hold it till it's at 3 digits. Answer those questions, and then you can understand why I still have a little bag that I'm trading with. Okay, but I'm comfortable trading with that little portion of my bag because I have XRP stored away. I have a few. Church is powerful. Yeah, Sunday sesh, here we go. Right at 61,000 for Bitcoin. Someone says, I'm worried about XRP. Blockchain Crusader says it's a bank's coin. Yeah. Do you want to make money? Do you want to make money? Do you want to change the world? Do you want to create a new quantum financial system? Do you want to be a part of that? Or do you want to go buy soul toads and get rug pulled? God, I love it, man. Get rugged once again. And I shouldn't be laughing at people losing money, but that's what's happening. You're trying to turn 0.2 ETH into 2 ETH. Slurix, I'm sorry, bro. When are we expecting settlement? Not till December or January, probably. If they are able to extend the discovery phase. Yeah, it is a banker's coin. It is for the financial institutions, but it's also for the people too. They just created XPOP Ripple just created XPOP for XRP, which allows you to use XRP without internet. That's for all the people. That's for people in a third world country with no internet access. They're able to use the XRP ledger. So as much as it's for a bank, it's also for the average person out in middle America in, the heartland of the country here with no internet. We're waiting on Elon to beam down the satellites everywhere for us. But in the meantime, you could be out in the middle of Iowa going to the farmer's market and buying some corn using the XRP ledger with no internet. That's what cryptocurrency is supposed to be about. So people have this thing all twisted. Ripple is able to service the whole world while also having a service offering, a product offering for the banks. That's what's going on right now, guys. Ripple stated that they wanted to be able to service 7 billion people. They stated that they wanted to make XRP a world reserve currency that was as liquid as a G10 currency. And now they've even, added on this XPOP proof of payment, which allows to use the XRP ledger without internet. Who else in the cryptocurrency space has developed something like that is an actual use case, for like the third world? Crypto Mason messaged me and apologized for being self-absorbed. Yeah, it's just getting interesting out here in the space, Yeah, so I'm releasing an NFT video after I get off this stream. I have already recorded it, and I'm going to edit and upload it for you guys. Basically just giving my take on the NFTs, because people get it twisted. NFTs are going to be massive. A lot of use cases, a lot of utility for NFTs, definitely going to be a part of the new financial system. But we're trying to turn 0.2 ETH into 2 ETH by trading penguins. Bro, that's a joke, right? And that just summarizes that whole NFT thing that's going on right now for me. We're trying to turn 0.2 ETH into 2 ETH. Thoughts on Engine? I don't know much. About Engine. I've heard a lot. I'm trying to think of the creator that I heard talking about it a lot, but Engine coin. I have no idea what it does. I've heard people talking about it though, so must be doing something. The 2-month extension does not bother me at all. No, guys. They're huge into NFTs. Engine is. Yeah. Blockchain-based gaming products. Nice, yeah. I've definitely heard some good stuff about it. They got a minting resource, which is locked inside NFTs. That's cool. Yeah, there's some good stuff going on over there, I think. I haven't gone deep on Engine, though. Love that I compared Iowa to a third world country. You know what I mean, man? Across middle America here. Shit, even where I used to live, I lived just like 5 minutes out of town, but I was out in the woods and my internet was absolute shit. So I hope that Elon, in between tweets, is figuring out how to beam down the satellites for us. Get our internet game up here in middle America. But that's what crypto was supposed to be about, and people bash Ripple as if they're only servicing the banks. It's like, bro, this is a real solution. Go to the farmer's market and buy some XRP without internet. It's a beautiful thing. Make a vid about real world utility NFTs coming from the XRP ledger. Yeah, I kind of like briefly touched on the different use cases for NFTs. And then I've basically concluded by saying that once again, Ripple investing $250 million into NFTs. And I can't find any company, even in the traditional space. Visa, they bought a CryptoPunk. That's a joke. Coinbase is launching their marketplace. That's big. I'm sure they're investing millions into that. And they had over like 1 million people sign up for it. That's big. But Ripple threw down 250 big bones, man. Like, who else is doing that? So I concluded by saying that I think that NFTs on the XRP ledger is going to be where it's at. You're going to have speed, scalability, and it's actually going to be affordable. Not going to pay $50 to send a picture of a kitten. I like Solana. Yeah. Solana's seen a real healthy move recently because it's Ethereum can't handle the NFTs. So there's some good stuff going on with Solana for sure. Quant, I'm a fan of Quant. Yep. VeChain, not a fan. Iota, I'm a fan. Big sleeper. Iota's massive sleeper. Solana makes me feel dirty. Yeah, the World Economic Forum had it on their list. So, but then again, Brad's speaking at the World Economic Forum. So, Bitcoin back up to 61K. Yep, we'll see where we're at tomorrow morning. Check back in tomorrow morning and see where we're at. Dude, I need to get on BitBoy's show because he hasn't had anyone on around the blockchain that knows what they're talking about in regards to XRP. I want to be his honorary XRP army member. They'll ask me questions about other shit, and I'll just be like, dude, I have no idea. Can we talk about XRP, please? You think we are dumping tomorrow? Sell the event? Yeah, Slurix, I do believe that we are due to dip. The dip's already started. It's already started because Bitcoin, what did it touch up to, like 62? And it's already down since then. Still holding, but I do think that we are going to dip this week, yeah. Yeah. WTK, have you heard about it? No, I don't think so. WTK. Dude, I don't even know where you guys find all these projects. It's crazy. Wads Pay token? Bro, are you kidding me? I don't know where you guys find this stuff. There's no information even on CoinMarketCap. Massive XRP bull run coming. Yeah, I think that XRP will have a really good move at the end of this month into November. November, I think, is the start of November. We'll have a really good move. But we're not going to all-time high till December at the earliest. I love these questions. What about selling, not withdrawing, but hiding it in a stable coin like USDC? Guys, if you sell into a stable coin, that's a taxable event. And don't try to avoid your taxes. Pay your taxes. Have a tax strategy. Have an accountant. How do I think that XRP will get hit in the bear market? Probably at least a 50% crash. At least. You know, up to $20 and then we go back down to $5. Like 75% crash there. That's easily done. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. I mean, in that event, I would lose a lot of money on paper, but not a big deal. To be expected, right? To be expected. Boy, oh boy. What time is it over across the water? It is 6:44 a.m. in China, it sounds like. So, yeah, they're getting warmed up right now. They're getting started up. Be ready for that. Sorry, let me check the YouTube comments here too. How can it work without internet? Because you're using a QR code. You're using a QR code. That's how it's using. Yeah, the exit strategy video is going to be coming later this week. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to keep up on both chats. I'm running behind right now. Sorry. Oh, yeah. He's talking about rug pulls. Yeah. And taxes. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, the federal government, they are building a case right now against all these scammers. Guaranteed. The promoters of them, the developers, the anonymous developers behind these NFT projects, they're building a case against all of them. They're watching all of it. None of these guys are slick. None of these guys are slick. So, yeah, I mean, I'm super excited for the space to get cleaned out. Now, unfortunately, I do believe that we'll swing too far the other way, regulations and everything, but we need to get this bullshit out of the way. And yet they build up ETH, yeah, ETH 2.0, the security to be that they've been working on for so long, that's way behind schedule, that they have to gather all the developers together to create ETH2. That's a securities offering. That's not decentralization. I may exit a small position of my XRP, potentially very small position, if we get to $20 or $30, but we're gonna have to stretch out to $20 or $30 for me to even think about selling a portion. And I mean a 5% portion. Yes, we will be able to take out loans in the future, yeah. Cardano and Ethereum, the good news to never come. That's so funny. Cardano, they've been good at marketing. Charles, I like Charles. I think he's a good guy, but yeah, I mean, I don't think that there's incredible amounts of potential for Cardano. I mean, it's a competitor. It has lots of competition though. Yeah. My plan is though is to not take a loan or do anything with my XRP till we're at like a much higher price once it's stabilized a little bit more. Hex Pulse, any idea? Yeah, that's I heard Richard Hart talking about that. Is that smart contracts for Hex? What is that? I forget what he said about that. Cardano number 2 in the United Kingdom. Yeah. Okay, someone says, how's the shorting on XRP going? It went good, guys. I like that trade was less than 24 hours. So yeah, I made money shorting XRP 3 days in a row. And I did feel guilty doing it, but you got to take what this market gives you. And I know how XRP moves so well. I mean, so that's why I chose to do it. But normally I wouldn't do that just based off principle. Guilty pleasure. I take the most amount of pleasure in shorting Bitcoin, or I made a little bit shorting Shiba like last week or the week before. That's how I'd rather do it. Shorting Bitcoin is my favorite way to make money. Period. Why is everyone talking about Shiba all of a sudden? It's just another one of the distractions, man. Yeah, the shit coin phase is still going on, unfortunately. How much XTC do you think that someone should have? I don't know. I don't know. I'm shorting on Qcoin. But let me be clear, guys. I'm just using a small portion of my trading bag. My trading bag is like probably less than 5% of my whole crypto bag. So people are getting that twisted. People are doing the complete opposite. They're trading with their whole bag, which I understand if you have less than a couple grand. Hello? What's up? Yeah, that'd be great. I'm down with whatever you want. I'm down with whatever. Okay, I love you too. Bye. Okay, don't worry, guys. Bay called me. That was a phone call from my girlfriend. So YouTube got to hear that conversation. Now we're back. Sorry. Do I still think that Bitcoin will be sacrificed? Yeah, I do. I do. I mean, will Bitcoin go to zero? Probably not. But bro, Bitcoin's going to get wrecked. And 100% Ethereum will definitely replace Bitcoin in the number one spot, I do believe. But then I think the XRP goes to the number one spot eventually. Is Songbird a good buy? Yeah, it might be. I think that there's still some room there potentially. Yeah. Yes, I do have a girlfriend. I do have a girlfriend, yeah. Verify Qcoin. I'm trying to use Qcoin. Do I need to be verified? You don't have to do KYC with Qcoin, I don't believe. But you won't be able to do all of like you won't be able to trade futures if that's what you're doing on Qcoin. You won't be able to trade futures with much leverage, and there's other stuff too that you won't be able to do. I don't think that you can withdraw if you've done KYC. I'm not sure, but I do everything on the up and up. I want my exchange to have KYC. I want them to know me. I want to know them, and want to be able to hold them accountable if something happens. But yeah, I follow all the rules in that regard. No, guys, I don't think that there's going to be a mandatory buyback. A lot of people getting worried about that. There's so much XRP left in escrow that Ripple can give away or, can sell. I don't think there's any reason any reason. This songbird chart though looks really good. This songbird chart looks good. I would expect a dump though if they finally release them on Coinbase. I would expect a lot of people will get their songbird and probably just sell off like half their bag or more. So if Coinbase does release songbird, I would be prepared for a dump there potentially. Bitcoin and Xrp created at the same IP address. How did that work? How did that happen? I wonder if David had a part in that. Our good buddy David Schwartz. I wonder if he had a part in that. The moon is getting full. Yes, it is. The moon is getting full. And the market is turning red. Love to see it. Love to see it. I want moon pegs to be full. Wouldn't the Fed need to control all the XRP to avoid volatility? No. A lot of people talk about a set or agreed upon price, and that's going to be the main function. Is once the pools of liquidity get opened up, it'll have like a set or agreed upon price based off of how much money they want to flow through it. The small bags that we own, guys, are not going to affect this market at all. They're not going to affect XRP at all. Make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you have. Giving away 150 XRP on the YouTube, and I'm dropping some more content there every week, just trying to continue the amount that I'm getting out there. So please bear with me with my technical difficulties over there and everything. Trying to put together the production for you guys, but thanks for sticking with me. No, I don't think that they're going to burn any of the escrow. Nope, no need to. No. I wish we could buy XRP options or leaps. I'm trading XRP futures on KuCoin. Yeah, the YouTube content's coming, guys. It's so much easier to make a TikTok. Am I familiar with grid trading? Nope. I don't do much trading, really. KuCoin. I kind of trust them enough to trade a small portion of my bag on their exchange. I wouldn't trust them with my whole bag of XRP. Am I long on XRP now? Not yet. Not yet. No. No. Let's look at this. Yeah, we hit down to basically $1.03. Yeah. But yeah, we're holding support really well. Shiba, best one performing today. I don't think it's doing good today. It's like break even today. Oh, it's up 8% now. So it just pumped. Okay, yeah, it just pumped. When Bitcoin pumped, Shiba pumped. That's interesting. Man, yeah, I've seen some interesting trades to be made here while I'm on stream, but I'm going to keep the stream going, make some money later. Elon tweeted just now. Oh boy, here we go. It's, I guess I need to go to Twitter. Let's go, Brandon. Oh gosh. Sheeb to the moon. Oh golly. Yeah. He did not know. He didn't tweet that. No, someone else tweeted that. Someone else tweeted that. Yeah, I think I think that we're in a little mini recovery bull trap right now. Because Bitcoin already broke 60K. Now we're wicking up to 61.3, but little bull trap. Yeah. XRP holders got to be the most patient of any crypto. Yeah, and we take the most amount of FUD. We take the most amount of misinformation and disinformation. It's crazy because like people spout misinformation on accident. They just don't know what they're talking about with XRP. And then you have other people that are just plainly lying about XRP. That would be disinformation. Robinhood listing is coming. Get ready, Sheeb Army. Bro, oh man. I wish you guys the best with the Shiba. I wish you guys the best, man. I might have to enter a Shiba short here soon. Oh. Something wrong with XRP? No. XRP is just chilling. Wick down. Avalanche back down to $55. We were looking at that one the other day. So yeah, it's getting down to a little better price now for accumulating. They were featured in the Digital Pound Foundation, by the way, too. Avalanche. Coinbase XRP listing would be awesome. Hey, we did all-time high back in 2018 without Coinbase. We can do it again. We can do it again. Remember that. We weren't listed on Coinbase last bull run when XRP hit $3.80. And that's part of my Coinbase theory, is that the settlement's going to happen, Coinbase is going to relist, Flare's going to launch, Songbird tokens are going to be released, and we're going to be partying like it's crazy. I mean, imagine that. And then Ripple announces IPO. We're off to the moon. It passed off. What is the option about? So the SEC wants to extend the discovery period till January. Yeah. So lines up perfectly with my timeline. XRP not really just taking off till January. That's fine. That's totally cool. I mean, obviously the judge should not grant an extension of this discovery. She already did once. There's no reason to. The SEC should just turn over the documents that they keep on trying to hide, admit their wrongdoing. They should drop the case, but Who knows? Who knows? I mean, if the judge extends it 2 months, it's just another piece of FUD to shake out people. Don't be one of those people that sells your XRP based off that news. You can buy XDC on KuCoin and BitTrue as well. Jeremy, what's up, man? Doing some tile work. Thanks for the daily XRP motivation. You bet. Yeah, they want us to give up our XRP. Absolutely. Shiba has more utility than Bitcoin. Crazy to think about. Bro, that's what's so funny about this space right now is that meme coins have more utility than Bitcoin. And Bitcoin's the number one. I can't wait for this space to mature. Did I join the lawsuit? Not yet. I keep on saying I need to, but I'll get around to that. I think there's already like 45,000 people in the lawsuit. Yeah, I think by 2025 that we're looking at a 4 to 5 digit XRP. It's just ISO 200 is going to be 87% implemented by 2023, and it's going to be 100% implemented by 2025. So that's why we're looking at a 4 to 5 digit XRP by then, because by 2025, the new financial system should be rolled out, and we should have already been on it for a few years. So the value and the utility should be ramped up to full-scale usage. Pools of liquidity valued in the trillions of dollars flowing through these blockchains. Not just XRP, trillions through your other favorite coins too. Maybe Shiba will still be around. We'll see what happens. Yeah. So we'll see what happens here. Bitcoin back up to 61. That's cool. Be ready to buy these dips, guys. Be ready to buy these dips. And these coins might move at different times. Obviously there was just a coordinated dump and then a recovery for Bitcoin pretty quickly. But that's why you set your limit buys down below. You set your orders, okay? Then you go about your day and your orders get filled. When the wicks down happen, your order gets filled. What's up? What's up? How's it going, guys? Seriously starting to believe that you are being paid by Ripple as you push the XRP agenda way too much. Man, it's all going to be that until XRP pumps and they're going to be like, damn, I should have listened. Like, people are going to be mad at me because I didn't convince them enough when XRP finally goes. Like, I'm expecting that for people to come at me and be like, dude, you didn't make it clear enough for me that XRP was going to go to 3 digits within the year. Was going to go to $20 this bull run. I mean, it's like I said in my video today. I feel like a broken record talking about XRP and Ripple all the time, but who else is doing this in the cryptocurrency space? I continuously challenge the community. I'm like, okay, who else is doing this? No one has an answer. Someone says I'm in the Illuminati. All I have is XRP and XDC. Those are the only two bags that I got. Other than that, I'm trading with a small percentage of my portfolio, but it's very small. I know, I am the broken record. I am just on here every day talking about XRP. And I'm going to continue to do it because one by one, we get people on board to understand what they hold. You know, a lot of people, they owned XRP before they found me, but we've been putting together all the research and actually connecting the dots for them. So VXV, yeah, I've looked at VXV. I can't understand why it needs to be at a higher price though. Algorand was a buy when you was going to buy it. Yeah, I sold my algo at $1.39. Yeah. Yeah, DM me for the XRP merch or find it in the description of my YouTube video. This is one of the shirts that you can get. It's got the Ripple logo, got the bull. If you are waiting on XRP, you could be waiting a while. Well, I mean, I'm trading right now, making money. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm missing out on. So, here's the thing, as I'm comfortable missing out on the Shiba pump, I'm comfortable missing out on the shitcoin pumps, the NFTs. I don't want to miss the XRP pump, bro. That's the one that you don't want to miss. You can miss the whole rest of the cryptocurrency space pumping, but if you catch this XRP pump, it's game over. It's game over. And that's what's about to happen. So it's fine. I mean, XRP is going to quote unquote miss the bull run until it makes the rest of the bull run look silly. Someone said diversify from XRP on the weekends. No settlement will happen on the weekend. That's funny, actually. I do believe there is a potential for XRP to dip below $1 like this week, guys. Be ready. Be ready. I do believe that there's a potential for that. Be ready for that one. Set your buy orders now, though. Don't wait. Don't try to like time it. Just set your orders. We have support at $1.01. So if you want to make sure that you get a buy in close to $1, you would set it at like $1.01. Okay. You don't want to set your order like at $1 because usually it'll get like close to. It might wick down below it. Maybe it'll go to like 98, 99 cents, but just ladder in your position. So you're going to set a buy order at $1.01. You're going to set another one at 95, and then maybe set another order down at the 86-cent launch pad. And you're maybe 87, 88 cents, because if it does wick down there, which it's potential, it's a possibility, but we have major support at the 86-cent support. So you just ladder in your position. And you guys do that for all your altcoins too. Like, it's not all XRP. It's the same strategy for all these other coins too. Yeah. You don't have to go all in like me. The biggest dip to happen before the run, it's now. I do believe that it's this month. There will be another one in November, but I believe that this is the opportunity that you're going to want to take advantage of. This one, and it's already starting. We called it perfectly, and it's just getting started. Be ready. What's up? What's up? How's it going, guys? It's about to go down. Yeah, I think that tomorrow is going to be a big day. You used to have 250,000 XRP? Holy shit, dude. RIP. Why isn't the price reflecting its utility since it's being used in so many countries? Well, they haven't really opened up the real pools of liquidity, right? Swift's daily volume's $5 trillion. So the corridors are opening up, but they're smaller ones. They're small, and they're still suppressing XRP. Thoughts on Matic? I don't get excited about Matic. It's not that Matic's not going to do anything. It's just all these other coins don't get me excited. You know, you're into what you're into. Ought to be some good shorting opportunities right now. Yeah, be careful. Be careful with your shorts. Don't use a lot of leverage. Blockchain Boy talking smack yesterday, talking to TA about you and XRP. Nice. I hopped on his live and I asked him what the next rug pull was. And he says, Zach, I think you're mistaken. Okay, bud. I'll catch you on the next one. Catch you on the next one. What other coins get you excited? XDC, XLM, Quant. Theta is an interesting project. I think there's some opportunity to swing trade that one. Yeah. Long-term viability, we'll see what happens. I mean, it's nothing for YouTube to launch a blockchain development part of their business and get in on that. So I don't get excited about Theta. I see some potential, but it doesn't really turn me on that much. It's an interesting project. I think that the incumbents are more likely to adopt a blockchain than they are to let some little cryptocurrency company overtake them. You know what I mean? So that's just the distinction that I see there with projects like Theta, with these other ones. It's like, I get it. It sounds good, sounds cool, but like YouTube can have a development in blockchain and do their own shit too. So everything's crashing but Shiba. Yeah, Bitcoin dumped and so did Shiba, but now they both pumped back up. Thoughts on Dragon Coin? Is that the Dragon Chain? I haven't heard about that one in a while. The old Dragon Chain. Who remembers that one? Guys, I'll be honest. Any project that has a weird name like that, like even what's the Cat Girl one that you guys? It's Cat Girl, right? Any project like that, bro, I can't invest in it. If I can't talk about it with a straight face, I don't invest in it. Whether it's Cat Girl, dude, any of those, Dragon Chain, bro, I can't. If I can't keep a straight face while I'm talking about it, I can't invest in it. I'm sorry. And it might work out. I'll probably miss out on a bunch of money. I did with Dogecoin. So I can't hate it, but I can't talk serious about it. No, I don't believe in the buyback for XRP. Why are so many people asking about that? Was like that trending around the XRP community again recently? I know a lot of people have been talking about that for a while now, but A lot of people in the comments asking about that buyback today. I don't think it's coming. I don't think that we're going to have a buyback. XRP went down to 50 cents. Yep. Digital Perspectives did the video. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I saw that one floating around TikTok. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah. I'll have to watch that again. Shout out to Digital Perspectives. He's a real one. XRP community. Good stuff there. Is XRP really worth the buy? I think it will. I mean, it's at like $1 now, and it's probably easily going to go to $10 in the next few months. So, yeah. I remember you thought XRP was going to be something. Feeling dumb, man? These comments crack me up. A little Shiba pump underway. Good stuff. You know, I put out a video today and I said, guys, if timing this market stresses you out, just market buy now and sell in December, and you're going to make money. Like, you don't have to try to time this market out. Just buy now, sell in December, and have a happy life. Like, you're going to make money. Even if you buy in now and it goes down, like, you're going to make out fine. You're going to make out fine. Filecoin down to $63. I like that. Little opportunity there for you guys. Filecoin back down to the $60 level. Do I believe the ISO tokens will ramp up at the same time? Yeah, pretty much. I think after the market crashes, that's when utility is going to really start to be ramped up. Yeah. Will XRP be $10 by the end of the year? In January. I don't think it'll do it this year. But I think that there's a potential for it to be back to all-time high in December. I'm not selling any XRP at $10. No, I'm not even thinking about it till it's at $20 or $30. Yeah, and the only reason I'm even thinking about doing that is just to park like a little stash of cash off to the side, just as a safety net. I don't even really care about it. It's just I'm here for 3, 4, and 5-digit XRP, but I got a baby on the way, so I got to make sure I can buy diapers and food. Even though with XPOP, XRP's new proof of payment without internet, I could go get my groceries without internet using my XRP. So maybe I don't need to cash out. Yeah, and the thing is too is people talk about not selling out at the top, and then I'm going to be stuck holding the bag when it goes back down to $10. Bro, after it goes up to $20 or $30 and then it crashes down to 5 or 10, I'm going to be loading up even more. Like, I'll have more money to invest. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't need to take from my bag. I'm not going to play around with it like that. I'll just buy more. I'm not waiting for another stimulus check from Sleepy Creepy, okay? You know, like, I'll just go make some more money, go buy some more XRP, be fine. I don't need to perfectly time sell 90% of my bag by the time we're at $20. I'm not gonna take that risk. It's not worth it to me. That risk is not worth it. And 5% of my bag is 100% of your bag, so we're playing with a little bit different of a bag. Just to be honest. I am not from Canada. Uphold is completely down with the black screen of death. Do I have a job outside of this? Yes, I do, guys. I do. My average buy-in is under 30 cents. I would check if Uphold is live right now, but I am screen recording here on YouTube, so I'll wait to do that. But hopefully Uphold is not down right now. A lot of people are saying Uphold is good. Yeah, maybe restart your app if you're having trouble. Yep, okay. So watch closely here, guys. I think that we still have some more dip to go here. Be ready, place your orders, eat them on up. Your favorite altcoins, whatever you're looking to get, be ready. I am not into the INX security tokens, no. Nope. Yep, you can use Nexo if you want to stake your XRP and earn some interest. That's a good little platform. So, any last questions on YouTube? I think we're good. Wow, can't believe that we've been on for 2 hours. If you guys have been with me for this long, I appreciate you. And make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm going to give away this 150 XRP. Other than that, I appreciate you guys. Let's watch this market closely. Place your orders. Be ready to buy this dip. And yeah, understand that if the XRP lawsuit gets put out another 2 months, it's all part of the staged orchestration that we're watching. So do not lose faith. Continue to accumulate. And remember that the best is yet to come. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate all of you. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you, and good night.